powers. Powers. 4, 3, 2 in the morning. Yeah, I'm still up, you're boring. Life keeps getting better and better, and I'm not stressed, I'm snoring. It'll get messy, get gory. Simpleness not for me. I don't care about football, care about this, that, care if you're acting 40. Like quick call back, can't ignore me. They don't even know my story. Any little sour patch acting salty.
It's definitely getting packed out. Look at everyone. It's gonna be a good time. This Integra with the taxi sign is awesome. Can I get a ride? It's pretty amazing that his fenders haven't gotten caught. Ooh. And every time he turns, it gets so close to the wheel to the fender. You reckon that's static or a bag?
I don't know.
That's gotta be.
It's dialed in perfectly though.
I don't know. Yeah. Honda Fit. These things are fun cars. So good. Hi again. How you doing? This is it, guys. Jeez. This is looking so good. This is so cool. Castrol Miku livery. And I'm so confused because it's a Chaser front end. But I'm pretty sure this is a BMW convertible. What? Eh? I'm so lost right now. すいません、この車 BMW ですよね。It's a Roadster? Roadster? でも白地の前。President? It's a rear president? This is insane. This is a Miata, an MX-5 or a Roadster. The rear end is President, and the front is a Chaser. ありがとうございます。すごいかっこいいです。Wow. Honda boys rocking up. This FDRX7 is beautiful. And then next to it, I think we saw this car at Manaboon a few years ago when we filmed there. Very cool wide body kit. Wait. These RPF1s? Interesting. Nice 180SX in red. Slam too. That thing was static for sure. So I just had a quick talk to the owner, and it's a Pandem kit. The guy who owns the car is Shoeworks on YouTube. Really nice Japanese guy. He drifts this at Mobura all the time. Very, very cool. It's not the same one we saw at Manabu. And he's destroyed the lip so many times that he went to the home center and got like this little thing of rubber here and cut it out so that he could just have something there. Very cool. So I keep getting lost in this car park. I've never been here and I don't even remember where we parked the car. But everywhere I turn are just more insane cars. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. 35 GDR. Look at all these FDRX7s. There's an NSX next to them.
Left-hand drive too.
Yeah.
Same port NSX.
Dang. This is really cool. Last year I definitely missed out on like going to all of these kinds of things. All carbon Aston Martin. What? Jeez, that's so cool. And now we're back at that Miata. How did we get here? I'm so lost. I don't even know. We keep doing circles, but I can't find where we parked the car. We're gonna be here a while. We're gonna get lost. Find out in the end of the video if we find our K-van. So we found a staircase and went down. A couple nice chases here. Oh, this one's got a TRD grill. That's worth money. This thing looks nice. Deep blue one. Beautiful. And we still haven't found our car. It's here somewhere. Nice 34 GDR. Rolls Royce. I have a feeling though he wasn't here for the meet. Look who I ran into. What's up, man?
Where's my car?
Dude, I just found mine. I just found mine. I took like 30 minutes to find it.
This is cool, right?
Yeah. You liking it?
It's warm.
Yep.
It's cool cars.
Yep. And there's good lighting.
And it's good lighting.
Yes.
That's all you need.
Very important.
That's enough for us. So we're just, it's really weird because it's normal people's cars parked with people that are here kind of showing their cars. So I can't tell which is which when you're far.
It's true, yeah. It's very true.
The car that's just some guy who probably lives here.
Yeah, no. There are definitely cars up there that are like that. Like there's a Rolls Royce and all that type of thing.
Maybach, just.
Yep. Super nice S13 with some bricks. Nice red 32. Oh, that beat's nice. Dude, the crowd is getting crazy. Oh my gosh. We were just here filming that 33. I keep getting lost. I have no idea where we are. FT just started up. I guess it's gonna get going. Oh my gosh, the crowd is getting crazy. Oh, it's Mikey. Hey, Mikey. Yo. Good job. How much do you think his yearly road tax bill is for that?
Minimum $2,000. That thing. Big.
How many liters? How many liters is the engine in that?
I'm so rusty on American
Wow,
stuff.
sorry, I just saw this. Is this an E92? The Falcon livery's cool. Oh wow. Evo 9? That's cool, Advent livery, and the freaking rally lights. So sick. Anyways, back to that. How many liters is in that engine?
It's a 440, so lots.
So in Japan, your road tax is based off how many liters your engine is. My K car is $30 a year. That probably is. Well, the Z was like $1,200 because it's a 3.5 liter.
Oh, that's easily $2,000.
Wow, that's crazy. I can't imagine that.
Big.
That's why like guys who have like all the lowrider cars with the big V8s in it from America, they're definitely paying a lot to keep it on the road. Some more 34s rolling in. Dang, that's crazy cool metallic green. Red one, oh my god, the Ultima bumper too. Beautiful. Good things come in threes, right? That was like at like 3 o'clock. There's so many nice cars coming in and out. The hard thing is everyone's so spread out and there's multiple levels that we just don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I'm on.
We went down a level and I finally found some cars I haven't seen yet, I think. This place is such a maze and a labyrinth. This, I think it's a Honda City. Looks cool. Old Bosch Rally, or like spotlights on the front, I guess. Like Kenwood Roland livery, the roof rack. It's unique, next to a very clean 180SX. E36. Old Volkswagen. 2 Mark IV Supras. And then there was another one over here too. There's a nice March or a Micro, depending from where you're in the... Wow, it's got a wide body too. Dang, that's nuts. Nice EK. Another E36. I mean, I don't know if it was just because of my time in Florida with the Dirty Six or what, but starting to see a lot more E36s standing out. Oh, look at this clean 33. Wait, this might be Dave's. It's a wide plate, maybe. Very nice. That's clean. Saw the car coming around the corner and I just thought, why is there no sound? This is electric. All you can hear is the music. And maybe the tires rubbing on the fender. That one has an exhaust. I think that one's got an engine. It's still very quiet. Nice GR Mark 5. Oof, next to a nice Mark 4. 2 Mark 4s? Okay, we're seeing new cars, guys. We're seeing new cars. I really need to get an EG Civic soon. So, you guys have seen it in the back of videos, but I have a K24 in my shop and I have no idea what to put it in. It's like I bought the engine I want to use and do a crazy build on before I even bought a car to put it in. Honestly, like I initially bought it because I was like, maybe we'll put it in an S chassis or do a rear-wheel drive thing, but I need to build a Civic front-wheel drive car or something.
K-Van?
K-Van? Stop it, Riley.
All-wheel drive? It'll rattle itself in half, but it'll be good. Think of the
Gonna
noises.
have to get Kyle to help me with that because I wouldn't even know where to start. spotted this beautiful GR86 next to this red 180SX. I love this aero kit, so aggressive and wide. Big proxies on there. Just some big cranes. Oh, I love the bling. This is cool.
Forged carbon side.
Yeah. Man, look at the lip too. What kit is this? It's nice. The bonnet's good too. Nice raised bonnet. I might need this actually for my 200SX in Australia. This diffuser reminds me of the Wonder kit, but I'm not sure if it is. It's beautiful. Let me know in the comment section what kit this is. That's beautiful. I love this red too. I think this is similar to like the new Mazda red. The interiors are great. Big Sparko seats too. So I passed this car and initially I looked at the front and was like, is this an Eclipse? But it's a Civic. The paint is so wild. The thing's so slammed. Very cool. The wing, very 2000s right here. Very 2000s. Dig this a lot. Dang, the paint shifting, colors is nuts. And then I saw this. I don't know if that's power steering fluid or coolant or engine oil, but I'm just assuming that hopefully someone's okay. Whoa, Riley. This is so wild. Some beautiful EG Civics, and you flick it around. Aston Martin, Porsche, some crazy money cars. Bunch of cars getting ready to head out. Seems like a lot of people are getting ready to leave and they're all starting to line up and head out. Nice NSX. Yo. Nice Cresta. Whoa. Nice 15, covered in flake. That thing is beautiful. Oh no. So we've been in this car park for ages and we keep getting lost, keep doing circles, and I'm just gonna go above ground. We're gonna jump the K-van, we're gonna see what we can find on the streets of Tokyo, because I think that's gonna be fun. This thing looks like something insane, like a 2000 GT or something. There is some big money cars here by someone that just pays the, I guess, the car park rental fee. This thing's definitely some kind of Porsche 911. Aventador, I think that is. I'm starting to learn my supercar models. Very cool. Altezza. Otsukaresama desu. Police are being pretty nice tonight. Otsukaresama. Hi. So it is now the next day and I'm at Daikoku, PA because there's a 1320 meet happening, and I thought I'd stop in here and check out the cars and continue from yesterday's underground car meet and kind of get everything all in one video. So let's see what's here. Well, it didn't last long. The police are already here, but this was a 1320 meet. A bunch of people were coming out to meet Kyle and the boys from 1320.
Hey, what's up?
How you doing, man?
How's it going?
Welcome to Japan.
Nice to finally meet you.
Yeah, man.
We had a badass little meet here for the last hour or so, and
I feel bad because I'm late and now it's closing down.
It was really well behaved. It just got too packed. There was no spots.
Yeah.
I just didn't like that.
Makes sense.
The cars here. Cars here are amazing.
Amazing, right? Yeah.
We have some Kaido races over here.
That's
That was
sick.
cool. Just so cool to hear them going around the loop
Right?
here. Just crazy noises.
Yeah. It's always a good time when like the Kaido race is doing it, or like all the supercars and you hear the crazy exhaust looping around. Awesome. This thing is sick. Moto combo with a spoon livery. Dang. Dude, this thing is awesome.
Thanks, bro.
Hell yeah. Before we go though, I definitely want to look at this thing. It is absolutely beautiful. Wow. This is incredible. No words. This thing must feel incredible to drive. I think I saw this car last night, but getting to see it up close now in the daylight, the flake is so incredible. I thought these were Blitz, but maybe these are, oh, these are the 326 ones. Damn, they look good. They look really good for reps. This EK is amazing. Woo. Wait, It is a Korean plate.
Yeah.
Wait,
From South Korea.
you brought this from Korea?
Yeah.
On a carne?
Yeah. So Osaka here.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Bye.
Nice GC8. Bug-eye. This thing I think I saw last night too. It's much nicer here just because everything's so much closer together. I still can't believe that guy brought his Civic from Korea. That's so cool. Mark 4, 33. Hey, Igor, what's up?
What's up?
Good to see you, man. I think I want a Cresta soon. Yeah. This 300ZX is really cool. The bumper delete with the wing, kind of really dig that. I've never seen that before on one of these. It looks nice. What do you guys think? Yeah, I like it. There's like an inverted hatch too. That looks really good. Ganadors. Oh, this fender delete thing here too. That's cool. I really like this. I've never seen anything like that before. Very cool. There was definitely some really cool cars here. Unfortunately, I was a little late to the meet. I should have known better and come here a bit earlier. But I was hoping because it was during the daytime it wouldn't get shut down. But I think all the car parks got too full and they had to kind of get everyone to move on. But for the most part, it was good. It was good to see Kyle. It was good to catch up with some people and also just check out some of the cool cars that were here and see them in the daylight from last night. That was definitely awesome. I'm now going to head back to Tokyo Auto Salon and finish streaming for the final day. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button, write a comment, and subscribe. Make sure you have all notifications turned on, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.